Okay, so yan guys, welcome back sa ating live para sa ating last and the final game of the night. And we have... And so yan guys, welcome. Pakishare muna ng ating live. We have a dual day game between Libuton and Tugas Esperanza. So good luck sa ating dalawang teams na maglalaban sa kanilang do or die game ngayong gabi. Ang mananalo ay siyang lalaban sa championship game bukas. And so sa ating Libuton and Esperanza, good luck. Welcome Ma'am Nini Pipito, Ma'am Roselyn Punsalan, welcome. And ang ating live mga idol. And start ng ating game. And the traveling violation committed by jersey number 21, Tap. And this live is brought to you by our sponsors from United Kingdom. Special thanks to kay Mama Rose Gadong. And sa Gadong family of Barangay Kabatangang Makatoklan. And Ma'am Rosel Tukol from Barangay Baybay, Jam Barcelona, welcome. And a foul, Policarpio, jersey number 18. And Jenny Delegatos, Ronald Gumban, and Judeline Di Vicente Diases. Good luck mga rep. And official referee natin ay from Bay Piaklan. Shoutout natin ang ating Bay Piaklan Makato chapter. Especially gid kay referee Dong Sugna. And we have John Ray de la Cruz. And kaya Idol Labongbong Kasidsid, shout out man sa aton nga committee, table committee. Table official. And it's Tuli. By jersey number 15. And 6 minutes 56 seconds remaining time. 0/3 ang ating official score. And wins is Michael Montoya Olid. Welcome, Idol. And Pagay for 2. Lentry Cebuano, ma'am. Welcome. Risa Milanio Nunez. Good evening and welcome. And Ma'am Aloha Tukol from Poland. Thank you very much. And there's a whistle and a foul. Jersey number. Jersey number 18. 18 gidman. 18 gidman foul. 18 to foul. And first try by Ibardo Lasain. And Eugene Jan Makahilig. Shout out. And second try by Ibardo Lasa. In 2 out of 2. And we have 5/2 ang ating official score in 6 minutes 29 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Dong Almero, welcome. LJ Delgado, welcome. And Jen Sabino Tropa, welcome. Ang mananalo ay siyang maglalaro bukas para sa ating championship game. And then welcome natin ang ating sponsors ng ating live from United Kingdom. We have Mama Rose Gadong. And Ma'am Lilian Tumanon Tumaka, welcome. And si Mama Rose Gadong. Good luck, ma'am. And there's a whistle. And foul. Ebar Dulasa, first number 2. And good luck both team from our sponsors from United Kingdom, Ma'am Rose Gadong. And Tubuto Nonoy, Ma'am Lisel, welcome. Hexel Tihada. And for 3 by Tap. And Ma'am Bingadong watching from Taiwan, welcome. And Raymond. Silvan Title, welcome. Shout out kay Rudy Jace Almero from Idol Almero. And ayan sa ating 122 viewers. Thank you very much, kid. Ralph Manares, sir, welcome. And Babes Martinez Dinko, welcome. And the foul, jersey number 20, Pagay. And we have 5 minutes 7 seconds remaining time. And about shot by Tihada. And Daniel Sonic, welcome. The Idol Mervin Dison. And first try by Tihada in. And official score 5/6, 1 point lead by Tugas. And thank you very much, Gali, kay Sir JR Tributo Lakenya, commentator natin kanina. And Bigot Tabernilia and Noisky Biating and Chi Tabernilia, welcome. One minute 50 remaining time. And Kawalin Gadong. And Bituloy. Good luck both team daw from Barangay Kagawad na Kawaling Gadong. Thank you very much, Kagawad. And wala official score 9/5. 4 point lead by Tugas. JR Tributo, welcome. And Ubos sa Idol, do bangko. Eric Acotillar, shout out. And then kay Sir JR Tributo Trakinya, may bangko pa una. Iya, sir, kakon, may iya. May bakante pa iya. Good for 2 person para. And Eric Acotillar, happy birthday, Eric. Ayun, birthday pala ni Idol Eric. And Joyce Torrenueva, welcome. And 4-2 Binala. 3 minutes 46 seconds remaining time. 7/9, a 2 point lead by Esperanza. And Ituli. And 4-2. And 11/7 official score, 7 point lead by Esperanza. Sino ba si Sir JR na to? Antonio, sir. Ay kinahanglan ka niya. And Binala. Tumira? Wala. And same ball. And Ma'am Jingle, Timbas Tapleras, welcome. And wala. Ayan. So, nakadalawang error na ang ating Esperanza. And welcome din natin, RG Tapleras. And 162 viewers. Thank you very much. Welcome. Abang shot from Georgia 18. And Flores. Good evening, everyone. So, good evening din ng Flores. And happy viewing. And special thanks kay Ma'am Ian Tabernilla Reyes. Sa gintao nga pang pamahaw aga kay Barangay Kagawad Jeanette Tabernilla. Thank you very much Ma'am Kagawad. Dahil taga si Kagawad sa aton man nga gihapon nga pang pamahaw. And at happening violation by Georgia number 27. Yung oras matapos ko basketball. And welcome din natin si Idol Bongbong. And thank you very much. Clark, Arusha Tapera. And Barangay Captain Jairus Tusutug na ita Barangay Kabatanga. Barangay Captain. Thank you very much, Idol. And welcome. And happy viewing. And also, shout out din kaya Barangay Captain na Richard Taladro. Ita Barangay Bagong Bariyong Makatoaklan. Thank you very much. And good evening, ka. And 1 minute 47 seconds remaining time and a 4-point lead by Esperanza. Clark Pusha Tapera. And si Mark tahimik lang. May nag-send ng 200 star. Thank you, sir. Hindi ko makita kung sino ba yun. Thank you very much, good idol, sa pag-send at 200 star. And 47 seconds remaining time. 12/16. And Genevieve Tubang Arubia, Ma'am Nova Aquino Dingko, ma'am, welcome. Thank you very much. Happy 70th birthday daw kaya full Mel Puhod. So thank you very much. Happy birthday kaya Mel Puhod from Bam Aquino Almero. Ay ano ba yun? And the foul, version number 27. Ma'am Ana Marie Mopia, sana welcome din natin si Idol German Mabasa. Okay, thank you very much kid. Kaya Sir German Mabasa watching from Virginia, USA sa 200 star. Thank you very much sir sa support and God bless always. Kevin Reyes, welcome. And sa ating mga taga Barangay Kabatangaw na shoutout di kinyo tanan. Especially gid kaya Barangay Kagawad ng Kawaling Gadong at sa pamilya ng mga Rose Gadong. And Rami Tortuya, welcome. 2 seconds. And that was the end of our first quarter. And official score 12/19 in favor of ay hindi mo lang ito pagulog yan mahuhug yan binod din si Guy. Sino nga ning pangalan dol? Rinche. Sino? Rinche alin? Taharan. Taharan. Okay. Shoutout lang anin ako na kung idol nga kaya si kay Idol Rinche Taharan. And shoutout man kaya si Mark tahimik lang. Pa-shoutout boss kaya Jason Udi. Odi, advance happy birthday from si Mark, tahimik lang. And Joyce Fuentes, shout out. And kay Idol Rodel Tapis, welcome. Ang daming tao guys sa ating do or die game. How come pa kaya tomorrow? So happy viewing gid kinyo tanan. And sa aton nga sponsors, thank you very much. Especially kay Ma'am Rose and Ma'am Aloha Tukul. And sa aton nga Star Senders from Virginia, USA, kay Sir German Mabasa. Thank you very much. And Ruben Piano Torneo, seat na mga idol. Lamang ng 7 ang ating Esperanza. Tara, sir. And thank you very much, kid. Ang nag-abot ng datong commentator ay ginagao yun si Idol. May preparasyon ba kita para sa championship bukas? So, kailangan nating i-rest ang ating boys, mga idol. So, thank you very much, kids, kaya Sir
Okay, second quarter. Back to the ball game. Resido, number 15. Pass to Pagay. Pagay left alone. It's a glass short. Rebound secured by Tejada. Here comes Panagsagan. Coach Kiko. Guarded by Policarpio. Press from Ibahay. Pass. Miscommunication. Pass click play. Policarpio. Guarded by Ituli. No. Rebound by Gabanes. There's Tugas. Nabitawan ng buwan ni Tejada. Turnover. Ininiero. Pass to Policarpio. Followed by Gabanes. So Tejada. And that's a traveling violation. Turnover by Carl Blaze Tejada. Shout out kay Toy GGP.
pinaka-gwapo yung tampatan. Pagkabatan ko rin yan. Pag-iulit na lang, idol.
Ininiero, guard by Ituli. Pass to Resido. Inside pass to Ininiero. Muscles. Touch. Good block. Outside pass. Stolen by Ituli. Ituli pass the play to Gabanes. Using the glass for 2 points. 21-12. 9-point lead by Tugas. Ituli guarding. There's a foul, a blocking foul by Ituli of Gilas Pilipinas. 3x3.
Yun sa China. Gilas bro. Ituli. Gilas Pilipinas bro. Player ni Mao champion na sa ano?
And there's a foul by Eduardo Laza.
And shoutout na natin si Sebastian Latica. Ayan.
Shoutout Sebastian Siga. Shoutout kay Ramil Procho. Coming into the game. 2 shots at the pito line for Pagay. First throw is in.
And we have Marlon Napira.
Second shot. 2 out of 2 for Pagay. 14-21. 7-point lead by Tugas. Here comes Pirucho. Left all alone. From the wing side. No. Rebound. Kevin Robles. Here's Policarpio. Jersey number 10. Pull up 3-point. Policarpio. 3-point. Panagsagan. Guarded by Resido. Gabanes pass for 3. Short. Rebound. Won by Robles. To Resido. 3 against 2. Another turnover by Resido. Ituli jersey number 15 from San Beda University. Ituli kick out pass to Ramil Pirucho. Gabanes guarded by Pagay. Back to Ituli. Pirucho may shot. Not good. Here comes Policarpio. Stolen by Panagsagan. Ang ganda ng laban. Ang ganda ng defense of both teams. Kiko Panagsagan. guarded by Policarpio. Pass to Gabanes. Gabanes fire from 3. Gabanes. Rebound by Tonton Tejada. No good. Rebound. Tonton pa rin. Nagagawan. Kanina po ang bola. Kay Policarpio. Nakuha ni Iniñero. Iniñero now. Jersey number 27. Iniñero. Kick out pass to Resido. Resido fire for 3. Too strong. Rebound. Offensive rebound by Pagay. Pagay jersey number 20. Nag-humingin na screen. Screen. Kick out pass. Iniñero. Left away from 3. Pass. Shot. Last shot by Gabanes. Remaining time 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Second quarter. 17-21. 4-point lead by Tugas. Iniñero. Pass to Robles. Guarded by Garbis Tiada. Iniñero. Masses it. Turn up. No good. Rebound by Ituli. As Gabanes. Jersey number 0. Pass to Tejada. Pegs. Binabantayan ni Bagay. Gabanes. Reverse. Reverse layup is good for Mike Gabanes. 23-17. 6-point lead by Tugas. Shout out sa aton nga 186 viewers. Policarpio. Pass from downtown. Policarpio. 3 points. 20-23. Tatlo na lang ang lamang ng Tugas. Here comes Ituli. Ituli lays it up and draws a foul on Kevin Robles. 2 shots for Ituli. First shot is in for Ituli. Another shot. 2 out of 2 for Ituli. Si Mark tahimik lang. Oo, yapon. JJ Tapos playing at point guard. Aliyup. Here's Resido. Here's Legas for 2 points. Basket count plus a foul by Resido. Foul on jersey. Ramil Perucho. First foul, Perucho. Third team foul, Tugas. Resido. Bonus shot is out. 22-25. 3-point lead by Tugas. Remaining time, exactly 3 minutes. Aliyo play. Nice communication play by Ibardulasa and Ituli. Time 233 viewers, shout out. 2 minutes and 59 seconds, second quarter. Official score, Tugas 27, Liboton 22. Babong tao mga viewers iya sa Sudit Sport Complex. Di mahulugang karayom. Shout out sa Manghod, Brother J. Lord Tributo.
Hindi kita mapansin, hindi kami utol mo idol, kung ka mag-comment o na, kababo, mga niya mag-comment.
Basta na shout out ginamon si Toy Page of GGP Refreshment.
Para manager, manager sir.
Located at
Para mag-sponsor.
Aguinaldo Street, Poblacion, Makatuaklan. Gwapong-gwapor tagana. Toy. Inside pass. And that's Policarpio from Tapos. 24-27. Ganda ng ball rotation. Tejada. Tejada, left open. Ayaw pa rin. Sayang. There's Tapos jersey number 21. Fires from downtown. Short. Rebound. Secured by Ibardulasa. Nice box out by Ibardulasa. To Itule. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Second quarter. Jivan. And there's a foul by Robles. Jersey number 10. Second team foul for Liboton. Substitution. Panagsagan in. Tihada out. Abot. Marlon Tape. Ma'am Ernalyn, shout out. Ag kay Tonton Tihada. Cabanes, uses the glass for 2 points. 2 minutes. Remaining time for second quarter. Shout out kay Nang Ana. Nang Ana Marie. Solis Mopia. Sinang Ana Gidaron. Bola stats by Pagay. Sir, pa-shoutout man na. Shoutout na nga na. Abo. Shoutout sa ako niya amigo, Marlon Tapleras. Gabanes. Inside pass to Itule, guarded by Pagay. Isolation play. Spin cycle. But there's an offensive foul. Illegal use of elbow by Itule. Second personal foul on Itule. One minute, 30 seconds. Here comes Tapos. Tapos, inside pass. Stolen by Ibardulasa. Ibardulasa. Pass to Itule. Jiban Tihada. Left wide open. Shots. There's Tapos, guarded by Panagsagan. Tapos jersey number 21. Block by Tihada. Pass to Ibardulasa. Guarded by Policarpio. Bad pass by Ibardulasa. Turnover. 31-24. Pitoro Abante 8. Tugas. 52 seconds remaining time. 50 seconds. Policarpio, jersey number 18. Fires for 3. Put back 2 points by Pagay. Masipag talaga si Pagay sa offensive rebound. Jiban Tihada, lays it up. Tapos na naman. Sayang, walang bantay. Traveling violation. Back to back turnovers by both teams. Timeout. Tugas. Official score. Tugas 31. Libuton 26. Shout out sa aton nga 254 live viewers. Man gina ginamon advertise ginamon. GGP Refreshment located at Aguinaldo Street, Poblacion, Makato, Aklan. Kung nagutom ka mo, manami ra nakara special bakchoy, special lumi. May delivery ang. Kung gusto niyo magpa-deliver, may ano malang. Sangriti ang gid nga service fee. Baratong barato. May pansit na sanda. May Shanghai. May shake. Abo nga pagkaon. Pwede man pagaha. Manami gid. Sulit inyong bayad sa GGP Refreshment. Shout out man na Romel Sapico. MJ Obuyes is watching. Ayan na ang ulan, Adol. Oh, baskong dugan. 10 seconds remaining time. Ininyo guarded by Gabani. Spin cycle. Move. Lays up. No good. Ituli. Kaya ba? And that will do it for our second quarter. Official score after second quarter. Liboton 26, Tugas 31. Shoutout sa ato niya referee Dongdong Tugna of Kabatangang Makatoklan. Kabaskog Matarugan. Abo Gidman. Pareho malang Abo Roerote. Joy Valencia Traquinia. Shout out kay Uncle Joy Valencia Traquinia. Ako niya tiyo ron. Shout out kay Joven Briones nga taga Agbalugo. Hinono to Ro Championship Hinaga best of 3 atong championship, best of 3. 2 out of 3. Shout out kay Alfie Jan Tribo. Ako niya advisory ron from Christian Caliste. Waiting sa championship, Villa Valencia. Shout out kay Togs, good luck sa provincial. Shout out gili sa ato niya mga players para sa provincial meet tinagar opening ito ato niya Aklan Provincial Athletic Association meet. Sige. Thank you gid sa amon nga sponsor Magic Flex. Shout out sa peryahan, nagdaog kami at Magic Likes. Shout out from Sinda, California, Hunter Kicks. Ano ra? Shout out kay Mark J. Malandak, sir, from Sao Ruben, Gallardo. Si Taharan ng Ibahay ang rep, sir. Bukon. Si ano tara? Si De La Cruz. All of the schedule of games Hinaga. Championship game. Hinaga championship game naton. Okay, schedule of games natin Hinaga. January 7. Championship game. Best of 3 final series. Best of 3 ato nga finals. First game 2:30. Mini midget division. Kabatanga versus CRC Kahilo. Again, first game 2:30. Mini midget division championship. Kabatanga versus CRC Kahilo. Second game, alas 3:40. 3:40 tapon. Midget division. Bye-bye versus Libang. Bye-bye Swimmers versus Libang. Third game, alas 5 tapon. Juniors Division, Tugas versus Villa Valencia. Fourth game, 40 above division, alas 6:30, 6:30. Tukos Clan versus Tugas Kings at alas 8 Hinaga at Gabi. Last game, Seniors Division, Villa Valencia kontra sa Gadaog Sareng Hampang. Doaton nga nga Hampang high best of 3. Ipagilaga nga pauno na daywat daog.
Championship pinagag. Minsan pag din adlaw. Basta makulat tayo.
Back to the ball game. Third quarter. Ball position of Barangay Tugas. Esperanza Tugas. Panagsagan. Inside pass to Gabanes. Guarded by Resido. Bang siya 2 points. Is out. Here comes Tapos. Tapos. Pass play. Deflected by Panagsagan. Pasensya ka mo kung hindi shout out ay iabi kami gapuko sampang. Kung may oras ang kita ma-shout out. Ha? Paki-share datong live, follow Alvin Tinagan. Ako diabo man ng followers. Inside pass, Ininyero. No good. Rebound. Tipped in by Tihada. So ituli. Inside pass, Tihada. Tihada. Reverse. Nagpipisikala na. Nagpipisikala ng dalawa. Pagay. No good. Ituli. Ituli guarded by Pagay. Place it up. For 2 points. (33-26). 7-point lead by Tugas Esperanza. Jump ball. Same ball possession. 11 seconds to shoot for Libuton. Pagay. Number 20. Deflected. Policarpio recovers. Policarpio fakes. Policarpio fires for 3. Short. Rebound Ibardulasa. Ibardulasa. Pass to Panagsagan. Panagsagan. Ituli na naman. Guarded by Ituli. Pass for 3. Air ball. 26-33. Remaining time 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Here comes Resido. See? Shout out na Macariola. Rebound by Tihada. Here comes Panagsagan. Jersey number 11. Guarded by Policarpio. Partially stolen. Panagsagan. Inside pass. Gabanes. Gabanes. Rebound. Tihada. Ball deflected out of bounds by Ininyero. Substitution. Resido out. Robles in. 12 seconds to shoot for Esperanza Tugas. 26-33. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Gabanes. Libre. Inside pass. Ibardulasa. Place it up for 2 points. Nice pass by Gabanes to Ibardulasa. 26-35. Shoutout sa aton nga 254 live viewers. Policarpio crosses over. Policarpio. That's a clear traveling violation. 2 mini steps for Policarpio. Here comes Tihada. Jiban Tihada. Pass to Gabanes. Pick and roll play. No. 3 versus 3. Policarpio. Hesitation play. Nakawala. Place it up. Camus. Sayang. Pass play. Ibardulasa. Robles. Pinasayaw. Ituli. Teardrop. Short. Rebound. Robles. Pass to Policarpio. Policarpio. To Pagay. Pagay. Draw sa foul. Basket counted plus a foul. Foul 4. Foul committed by jersey number 11. Panagsagan. Bonus shot. 4. Pagay. Is up. And in. Complete 3-point play by Bagay. Binala in, Ininiero out. Here comes the court general, Kiko Panagsagan. To Itule, guarded by Pagay, crosses over, loses the handle, rebound by, tapos pass to Policarpio. Policarpio crosses over, Policarpio, pull up jumper, no, rebound, Itule, to Panagsagan, Panagsagan jersey number 11, guarded by Tapos, pass to Gabanes, Gabanes, inside pass to Tejada, Tejada guarded by Policarpio, makes the shot, no, rebound, Tapos. 4 minutes remaining time. Binala, libreng-libre sa 3, tumira, hindi pumasok, rebound, Gabanes. Gabanes guarded by Policarpio, to Panagsagan, to Itule, Itule inside pass, Ibadulasa, ang ganda ng sapal. Nice block by Policarpio, Itule, guarding Binala, Robles, Robles, tumira, yes! For Robles, pull up jumper by Robles, 2 points. 31-35, apat na lang lamang liboton. 31-35, 3 minutes 15 seconds. Tejada, take the shot. Tejada, bank shot, 2 points. Still by Tejada. Ibadulasa, place it up. Time out. Liboton. Liboton 31, Tugas 39.
Rotate na doon, steady, malilaw ng to, ng Eileen, hindi na pwede na. Steady lang din yung
Ay, sorry gid ma'am. Makaroon man namon niya to sa bagay, ay di man yun ni Mano. Nakano kita steady gid aton niya kamera. Kung nakatindo gabi ay sang girero view nga mabuol, hindi na to magagas sa wala. Policarpio. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Resido. Pass from 3. Short. Air ball. Panagsagan. Pass to Ibardulasa. Tejada, cutting in, fires, no good, rebound. Binala steps out of bounds. 14 seconds to shoot for Tugas. Warning Tapos for unsportsmanlike behavior. There's a foul by Robles. That's only second team ball for Liboton. Panagsagan. So Tejada for 2 points. 31-41. 10-point lead by Tugas. Two minutes 5 seconds left. Policarpio. Shots. No. Rebound by Tihada. Pass to Ibardulasa. 31-41. 10 pa rin ang lamang ng tugas. Panagsagan to Ibardulasa. Ibardulasa. Pass to Gabanes. Gabanes. Kick out pass to Panagsagan. Pass for 3. Panagsagan. 3 points. Here comes Pagay. Pagay to Robles. Fakes. Spin cycle move. There's a foul. Foul by Panagsagan. Jersey number 11. Valdivia in. Tihada out. One minute and 15 seconds remaining time. Policarpio fires. Policarpio steal. Policarpio shot. No good. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining time. 31-44. 13-point lead by Tugas. That's 13 foul for Tugas. Basko-basko gidaruan. Policarpio. First throw is in. Shoutout sa aton nga 286 viewers. Second shot for Policarpio is up and out. Rebound by Tihada. Panagsagan to Gabanes. Gabanes to Ibardulaza. Ibardulaza. Jersey number 3. Side steps. Place it up. No good. Rebound. Policarpio. Pass break play. Resido. Left alone. For 2 points. Pass break play by Libuton. 32. I'll make it 34-44. 10-point lead. 25 seconds remaining time. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot for Tugas. Panagsagan. Guarded by Resido. Pull up for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Pagay. 10 seconds. Resido. Pagay. Fade away shot. Foul by Resido. 2.71 seconds remaining time. Only the second team foul for Libuton. Ibardulasa. Hail Mary shot. Too strong. And that's the end of the third quarter. Shout out rin niya Tonel. Kuha ko sayod. Padre ng Manghod. Shout out sa akong nga amigong classmate kay Prince Lee Tortoy Asma. So ato niya viewers ay 299. Sa bilog lang ag mag 300. Paki-share daton nga live ag i-follow naton si Sir Alvin Tinagan. Agi follow gid naton do Facebook din no. Facebook ka ba? Follow naton do GGP Facebook replacement.
German mabasa na ito. Aton nga start.
Herman
German mabasa.
Jerban mabasa from Virginia, USA. Thank you po sa aton nga star sender. Thank you po. Sir German mabasa. Shout out kay Jet Idoy Tabernilla from Virginia, USA. Glenn Peter Cirillo, idol. Alin kay na nagdaog sa puti abag tugas. Glenn nagdaog, Glenn tugas. Sa mga nailang kay bakal mga gabas nga suga ag mga baboy una hay bakal kamo sa printed ko lang ni Dr. Ramon kay Saira Tapos Cirillo ag kay Glenn. Manamira na nga mga isda una karon nga basket.
Score ko na.
Score 34-44. Puro Abante tugas. 34-44. Start of the fourth and final quarter. 34-44. Panagsagan jersey number 11. To Gabanes. Gabanes fires for 3. No good. Rebound tip by Pagay. Policarpio. And that's a holding foul by Panagsagan. Third personal foul. Third personal foul on Coach Kiko. Policarpio involves the ball to Tapos. Tapos jersey number 21 to Eniniero. Eniniero guarded by Tiada. Inside, lace it up. Short. Good. Nagaw. Hindi. Pagay. Nice move by Pagay. Up and under move by Pagay. Against Gabanes. 36-44. Lamang Itwago. Rotogas. Inside pass. Still by Robles. Good read by Robles. Here comes Tapos. To Policarpio all alone. Policarpio, oy, pinasarap. Pero hindi pumasok. Sayang. Ulam na. Natapon pa. Ituli. Pass to Ibardo Laza. Guarded by Ninero. Inside pass. Stolen na naman ni Policarpio. Policarpio. Pass to Pagay. Pagay. Nagana mababasahan. So tapos Ininiero. Baseline. 27. Ininiero. Muscles his way. For 2 points. 38-44. Anim na lang. Esperanza Tugas 6-point lead. 38-44. 8 minutes 20 seconds remaining time for the fourth and final quarter. Here comes Panagsagan to Ibardo Laza. To Tejada. Tejada fires for 3. Short. Rebound. Ituli. Put back. No good. Rebound secured by Robles. Tapos now. Chance to cut down the lead. Here comes Ininiero. Jersey number 27. Ininiero. Libre. Side step. Lace it up. Robles. Flares. Block. But there's a foul. Mahaba talaga yung katawan ni Robles. Foul ni Bardulasa. More fouls on Ibardulasa. Two shots for Robles. First throw is out. Second shot is in. 1 out of 2 for Robles. 39-44. 5-point lead by Esperanza Tugas. Panagsagan, jersey number 11. What a tight ball game. Ituli. Fires. Short. Rebound by Tejada. Panagsagan. Guarded by Tapos. Sa gitna. Tejada. Lace it up. Too strong. Rebound by Ininiero. Can't handle. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot for Tugas. Still na naman ni Policarpio. Policarpio, mahabol ba? Left all alone. 2 points Policarpio. 41-44. And that's a 7-2 run by Liboton to start the fourth quarter. 41-44. Tatlo lang. Kay na po, tatlo lang Rabante 8. Tugas. 7 minutes and 16 seconds remaining time. Aton nga 314 live viewers. Happy birthday Jerome La Chica.
Ako, magpangangay ron. Nag-birthday.
Kahapon.
Kahapon pa nagiging masisir nga rin.
Huwag pa natapos.
Kahapon.
Kasi may mga...
May ito pa sa rep. May Graham pa ko na ito. Salad at ano, spaghetti nga nabilin. Ato na lang sa Balogo. Shoutout gid sa aton nga 314 live viewers. Paki-follow lang ag share daton nga live. Agod updated kita sa atong championship game hinaga best of 3. Hinaga sa atong best of 3 championship series. Panagsagan to Itule guarded by Policarpio. Here comes Panagsagan to Gabanes. Binantayan. Gabanes. Pas. Agaw humata. Babot ang hero dito gas. Here comes Tapos. Tapos. Pinasa kay Niñero. Binadi-badi. Huwag yapon. Rebound. Pinasa kay Badulasa. 3 against 1. Make it 3 against 2. Nice decision by Badulasa. Nagantay na kakampi. Coach Kiko. 10 seconds to shoot for Tugas. Use the pick of Tihada. Tihada, fires. Short na naman. Robles for the rebound. Tina si Robles, tumatalo na. Tapos, to Pagay, walang bantay. Pagay pull up. No good. Rebound Policarpio. Put back 2 points by Policarpio. 42-44. 43-44. Bilog lang lamang ito guys. Ang bilog lang. 9-0 run. 43-44. Itule. Itule. Okay. Reverse. Reverse layup for Itule. Going at the baseline. 46-43. Tatlo mando lamang. There comes Iniñero. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Iniñero. What bantay? Raise it up. Abaw. Kumok-kumok. 45-46. 45-46. Si Badulasa na libre. Nice find by Coach Kiko. 45-48. Foul by Tihada. Giban out. Tonton in. Tihada out. Tihada in. Here comes Liboton. Tapos. Pass to Iniñero. Iniñero. Screen by Robles. Place it up. Iniñero na naman. Back-to-back points by Iniñero. 47-48. Isa ang lamang ng Tugas. Ituloy na naman. Panagsagan. Guarded by Tapos. Naghihingi ng screen. What a play! By Coach Kiko to Itule. 50-47. Pagay. To Robles. Guarded by Gabanes. Robles. Put by Robles. And throws a foul. Basket down to the foul by Robles. The tower of Liboton. Foul by Tonton Tihada. Kaya ba? Kaya ba ni Robles na matay ang ating ball game? Robles to tie the game. Bonus shot. Is up. And in. 50 all. 50 all ng ating score. Napakagandang kita. 50 all. Taladro Noisky. Wallace yung score. Wallace. 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Panagsagan. Panagsagan to Itule. Driving at the baseline. Right step. And goes a foul. Another play by Itule. Itule. That's a 6th consecutive point by CJ Itule of Gilas, Pilipinas. Under 23. San Beda Red Lions. 50-52. Bonus shot, Boy Itule. Is up and out. Sablay yung bonus shot ni Itule. 50-52. 4 minutes remaining time. Pininiero guarded by Gabanes. Pass. Stall by Itule. Itule. To Panagsagan. Panagsagan. Guarded by 2 black shirts. Nakawala. Naipasa. Kick out pass. Gabanes. Binalik kay Bardulasa. To Gabanes. To Panagsagan. Jersey number 11. Panagsagan. Lays it up. No good. Last touch by Tihada. 3 minutes 26 seconds. 50-52. Puro pagod ng ating mga players kasi bakbakan yung laro. Walang tigil. Pagaspasan. 50-52 score. Abantit na iwaro ano. Dito pa rin. 9 seconds to shoot. Bagay. Pull up jumper. Short. Rebound secured by Bardulasa. Here comes Panagsagan to Bardulasa. 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. Gabanes. Burns for 3. Gabanes! 3 point. Remaining time 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Official score. At official score Liboton 50. Esperanza Tugas 55. 5 Roabante Tugas.
Kaya ba, sir? Kaya ba?
One timeout left for Liboton. Back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Fourth and final quarter. 5 lamang Liboton. Ininiero. Jersey number 27. Lays it up. No good. Rebound by Gabanes. Stolen by Agay. Policarpio for 3. Abot. Rebound. Last touch by Panagsagan. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. 50-55. Lamang 5. Robles, guarded by Tihada. Robles shot. No good. Rebound di Bardulasa. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 5 pa rin na lamang Tugas. 50-55. Last 2 minutes. Gabanis na naman. No good. Ni Bardulasa. So Panagsagan. 10 seconds to shoot. Gabanes, Panagsagan, Ibardulasa, traveling. Alam po agad ni Ibardulasa. Ganyan yung mga player. Alam agad kung nag-travel sila. Change of bot, turnover. 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining time. 55. Lamang ng 5 ang Esperanza Tugas. Lamang gihapon jam ro Tugas at 5. 50-55. Tapos bakante sa 3. No good. Rebound by Tihada. Pass to Panagsagan. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ibardulasa waiting for his teammates. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 20. 1 minute and 20. 7 seconds to shoot. Gabanes, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Robles. Tapos pass play. Walang bantay. Paul. Ang bilis ng 2 points na yon by Policarpio. 1 minute and exactly 1 minute remaining time. 55 seconds. 52-55. Tatlo ro lamang ito, gas. 52-55. 10 seconds to shot. Ituli. Pass to Tihada. For 2 points. 52-57. Policarpio. Guarded by Ituli. To Pagay. Ano yun? Walang tao. Bad pass by Pagay. Time out. Time out to gas. Wala din time out. .97 remaining time. Foul, Pagay. That's only second team foul. Foul by Tapos. Third team foul. 25.92. Lamang Rotogas 8-5. Gabanes. So Ibardulasa. Abaw, suntong yung mata. For 2 points. 52-59. 7 undo lamang, 8. Tugas. Mingko sirbol yun nga. 20.46 seconds. Shoutout sa aton nga 314 viewers.
Ipan mabe idol kung pila. I-refresh mabe. Mingko sobra.
Shoutout sa aton nga 343. Nakahugom mo ng mga taga Makato. Nag-uwagon. Wa pa natapos rampang. Wato-wato na naton, mga taga Makato. Hindi magagis sa tunga. Medyo klaro ano to, gas. Hinagabi, waiting row. Villa Valencia. Mingko marimat si mata. Ininyero for 3. Pustrong. Ininyero put back. Hindi pa rin. 15 seconds. Foul by Pagay. Si Tonton kita rin nagpadaog. Diwang sunod niya. Boarding si Dagom. Ang daming nga play ay siguro ay may kwanig to. Ang miscommunication malang. Ang daming nga play siguro ay puro gilid. First throw is in for Tonton Tihada. .60-52. And that will do it. Congratulations. Esperanza Tugas advance World Championship tomorrow against Villa Valencia.
Hey! Congrats! Hey, congrats! Congrats! Daw, saka mo.
Okay, so ayan na, congratulations sa ating Esperanza Tugas.
Send mo lang ako. Thank you.
And then, shoutout natin si referee Dong Tugna at BAP Aklan. And so, and congratulations. Sige sir, thank you. Thank you very much again kay Sir JR Tributo. Ang sa aton nga tatlong officiating referees, si taton nga hampang makaron nga gabi. Thank you very much guys kay Idol Dong Tugna ag kay Sinugani Raya si De La Cruz and Pambatan. So thank you very much guys BAP Aklan Makato chapter. Ayan, maraming salamat and thank you for watching mga idol. Good night.